Welcome to the event. Now you can see what the full build looks like. We have a trampoline bridge for the competitors, trampoline bridge for the audience.
This year we have over 300 square meters of net, we have over 2,000 springs and over 100 meters of aluminum truss.
Everything is ready and set, and let the competition start.
Jumping above the river is like, it feels so weird. You can see the boats like going under the trampoline.
It's already my third time here, and I'm here because like every time I'm here the vibe is just crazy.
With this mega tram we can bounce so high that you can actually see people showering or having a coffee in the morning, so it's pretty fun.
It's like skydiving but without a parachute.
Odbito bridge event is one of the best places I've ever been in my life. The highest jump competition, whoever thought of that idea deserves a Nobel Prize. It's definitely been the highlight of my year every time I've done it.
This is like 1.5 building high. Best event in the world!
Flying through the sky at 17 meters is by far the most exhilarating feeling of my entire life. It's overwhelmingly good.
The guys were amazing. We reached new heights. We were reaching for the stars. We got them, and I can say next year we're gonna go even higher.
Kljub trdemu delu se je v bistvu vse res izplačalo. Videti vse te rekorde, vse te navdušene mednarodne tekmovalce je bil tako zame kot za celoten ekstrem. Ful lepo doživetje. Rada bi se tudi zahvalila Dunkin' Devilsom za njihovo sodelovanje, podporo, pomoč, izpeljavo tega odličnega tekmovanja. Tako da edino vprašanje, ki je še odprto, je, kako visoko gremo lahko naslednje leto.